Number 5.
The Kreg Jig K5 makes it easier than ever to build it yourself and build it better. The K5 is the most advanced Kreg jig yet, and it comes loaded with innovative features, from a ratcheting workpiece clamp to extension wings with built-in storage, to quick-release drill guide adjustment, swiveling dust collection, and so much more that make it simple to set up and use. With the Kreg Jig K5, you'll be building projects faster, stronger, and better in no time using the proven Kreg joinery system of drill, drive, done. Building with the Kreg Jig K5 starts with setup, a process that's fast and easy. Simply pull the quick-release pin, slide the 3-hole drill guide up or down to match the board thickness, and release the pin. The drill guide is now locked in place to position pocket holes for maximum joint strength. After that, select the screw you need using the handy screw selection chart, and then adjust the drill bit for exact drilling depth using the included stop collar setting block. The Kreg Jig K5 is now ready to create strong, tight-fitting Kreg joints. Clamping a workpiece into the Kreg Jig K5 is easy thanks to a ratcheting clamp that's controlled by a large, paddled handle mounted on the front side of the jig. Whether it's holding thin half-inch stock or securing a 1.5-inch thick board, the clamp quickly adjusts without guesswork, tools, or lock nuts. Just place the workpiece in the jig, slide the clamp forward, and lift the handle. 2 positive clicks later, push the handle back down, and the spring-loaded clamp is set to securely hold every workpiece of that thickness. When the time comes to switch to a different thickness, the clamp can be quickly adjusted using the same simple steps. The Kreg Jig K5 also makes it easy to position your pocket holes exactly where you want them with an adjustable workpiece stop. Just position it on either side of the base and dial in your settings for repeatable accuracy time after time. This versatile building tool has large, removable extension wings to support long or wide workpieces. Both wings also have storage compartments built in that make great places to keep your jig accessories, bits, screws, and plugs. Plus, the K5 comes with a handy screw selector chart that you can mount inside one of the lids, so you'll always have the information you need to select the right screw for your project. The Kreg Jig K5 comes with a standard 3-hole drill guide that makes fast, easy Kreg joinery possible on a wide variety of projects, and with materials from 1/2-inch to 1.5-inch thick. For even greater versatility, it accepts the Kreg Jig Micro Pocket Guide and the Kreg Jig HD as well. The K5 also comes with a swiveling dust collection port that accepts a vacuum hose to keep the work area clean, and includes a sample pack of screws and plugs to get you started. A detailed user guide makes it easy to get going, and free project plans and videos are available online to keep your skills growing. With all of these great features, the Kreg Jig K5 offers everything you'd want to build it yourself and build it better, the easy Kreg way. Drill, drive, done.
Number 4. Number 3. Number 2.
Can you spot the difference between this clamp and this clamp? They're both track clamps, but with one huge difference. This one relies on expensive aluminum track. With this one, you create your own track. Match fit dovetail clamps are unlike any other track clamp. Its head is forged into a 14-degree half-inch dovetail profile, allowing you to create your own tracks with one of the most common router bits on the market. Without tracks, you're limited to the edge of your workbench and the clamp's throat depth. Match fit dovetail clamps give you the freedom to clamp beyond the edge. They slide through the dovetail grooves below the surface to secure material without getting in the way. Make auxiliary fences, sleds, stops, hold downs, assembly tables. You can even transform your tool chest or existing workbench into a versatile clamping surface, easily and without expensive aluminum tracks. Sure, there are other track clamps out there, but who wants to buy all that metal? Whether for a quick jig or a permanent shop fixture, dovetail clamps will bring your woodworking to the next level. Cut a straight edge on warped or live edge stock with a sled, cut tapers, or assemble your projects on a perfectly flat surface. Your shop is good, now make it great. Add them to your cart and start working smarter today with Match Fit dovetail clamps.
Number 1.
Welcome to the Thingamajig scribing tool. Here at Thingamajig we promise you that the scribing tool will be your new best mate, saving you time and always getting you an accurate finish. Here is some basic information to help you understand how the scribing tool can make your life easier and your workmanship 5-star. When fitting the blades to your tool, simply unscrew the grub screw and place the blade onto the blade holder. When retightening the screw, ensure you don't over-tighten. This can be done by using the long point of the Allen key provided with the tool. The foot pad cover simply clips on and off. Use this when the scribing tool is being slid along pre-finished surfaces like painted walls, preventing it from marking the surface. Due to its thickness, the foot pad cover alters the measurement of the ruler on the shaft of the tool. You must compensate for this. There is a written reminder of what to do on the top side foot pad. Here a laminated bench top is being fitted to a wall. You will note the imperfections in the wall surface that the bench top is being fitted to. The bench top is placed in the desired position and the biggest gap between the bench top and the wall is located, as this is the amount the tool will need to be set to. This can be done with a ruler or by placing the tool against the wall where the largest gap is. Rotate the tool shaft while holding the blade body still until the blade tip touches the edge of the bench top. You'll note the foot pad cover is fitted. In this instance, 4mm needs to be removed, so the tool will be set to 3mm to compensate for the foot pad cover thickness. The lock nut is then tightened to lock the blades at the required height. Now simply hold the tool so it is at 90 degrees to the bench top. Move the tool across the wall, applying slight pressure against the blade to commence marking. Continue this process until you are happy you can see the scribed line. Now use an electric planer and trim off the excess bench top to the scribed line, ensuring you don't go past the line. You will notice one of the benefits of the scribing tool is that the laminate does not chip past the scribed line due to the scribing tool blade creating a break in the surface. Now the bench top is replaced to show the perfect fit. Here we see a 2-pack painted kick rail front is being fitted to a timber floor. The kicker front is placed on the floor and set in a level position. Again, the blades of the scribing tool are set to the amount required to be trimmed off. The scribing tool is then held at 90 degrees to the kicker front. Slide the tool across the floor to mark the entire length of the part. It is then trimmed with an electric planer. Once again, the paint does not chip past the scribe line due to the scribing tool blade creating a break in the surface. Now the kicker front is replaced to show the perfect fit. Scribing has never been so fast and accurate with a host of features. The scribing tool only needs one hand to operate, provides a flush join when fitting cabinetry, skirting boards and more, scribes internal corners with ease, works on laminate, painted surfaces, soft metals, stone, wood and more. We know you'll appreciate the value of having the thingamajig precision scribing tool.